This time I wanted to show you something which I wrote. So first of all, let's find a controller. I'm working on a chores application right now. This chores application, of course, has a backend API. In this API, I tend to use Mediator to reduce clutter and constructor bloat and things like that. So the issue that I was having with Visual Studio is that whenever I create a command, for example, on this line, I'm creating a create person command, I can't very easily right click to navigate to it. I can, of course, go to the definition using F12, which is fine, but what I'm really interested in is to have a way of quickly navigating to the command handler. I can't do that on the Mediator send, for example, because when I use F12 on that, it will only take me to the definition of Mediator send. So I wrote a small extension for Visual Studio that will allow me to find all public methods that actually take the type under the cursor as an argument. So it doesn't matter whether I'm on the command itself, or if I'm in the create person command, or if even inside of the Mediator send method, if I invoke this extension, which is called navigate to handler, and you can find it here in the edit menu, click on that and boom, it takes me immediately to the first public or protected method that actually uses this create person command type as an argument. So no private methods, no interface definitions, only the actual implementation, which is what I want. This is not only specifically made for Mediator. So for example, if I'm curious about which public methods do I have cancellation tokens on, I can place my cursor on the cancellation token and again choose to navigate to the handler of that. And now it appears that nothing happened, but if I check my output window, you can see that it's listing all of the places where I'm actually using a cancellation token. So you can see here my Mongo repo, all the public methods. I can also look at my client policy here. So I have a consistent way and even very decent list of all the places where a specific variable type is being used in a public method. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy to find. So what you do is you go to the marketplace at visualstudio.com here and you type in navigate to handler like this. And I apologize for the boring icon, but yeah, it is what it is. Here it is. You just click to download, install it like you would any other extension. And then as one slight optimization is that when you install this, by default, it does not come with any keyboard shortcuts. So to add a shortcut to it, it's the same as with everything. I usually go into shortcuts by customizing Visual Studio, clicking on the keyboard, and then all you have to search for is edit, because it's under the edit menu, and then navigate should be enough. Now you can see you have it up here. You press a shortcut key that you would like to add. I already did, so I have it on Control-Alt-H, and then you click assign to activate it, and then you are good to go. So that's my quick little tip for you, an extension. I hope you like it, and if you see room for improvement, please let me know and I'll do what I can to actually make it even better. So thank you and goodbye.